New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2024. We're going to crank up the crock pot for the second time. We don't have the first video up yet, but we did cabbage with some carrots and Eckrich sausage, and it turned out just right. So this time we're going to do collards, and we're going to put black-eyed peas in with them. I normally cook everything separate, and I normally would use dried black-eyed peas and, you know, soak them, cook them, keep everything separate. But we're going to do this together, see how it turns out. We are going to put the collards in first. Since they are raw, we'll wash them and get them in, get them going, and let them cook for a couple of hours before we put these black-eyed peas in. See, this is heating instructions. Heat until simmering while stirring. So these are basically already done. I'm sure they're not as soft as I want them, what I call Yankee cooking. But so we'll put them in later, maybe 3 hours later, and see how it turns out. And we'll do it, upload it, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. I just haven't gotten around to the cabbage one yet. I need to get it first, then get this one second. This will be the second video with them. But let's get the collards washed and get them going. It is about 2:45, so I don't expect this stuff to be ready till about 11 tonight during the game. Okay, we have washed our collards. I don't season with pork anymore. I used to a long time ago. No more stuff like this in the eat. It probably wouldn't hurt now anyway. But I use a little garlic and a little olive oil. That's all I use to season it with. We just turned it on, got it washed, put water in, turned it on, got it on high to start with. I expect these collards to cook way down. Once they start steaming, they'll cook way down. And I say 3 hours, I don't know. We'll check, see how tender the collards are, and then figure out when to add the black-eyed peas. See how it goes. And we bought a cornbread from Ingles today because I haven't tried cooking a cornbread in the air fryer yet. I do intend to, but I haven't yet. When we try that, we'll show that too. And also, I'm going to cook a little peach cobbler in the air fryer. Try it and see how it comes out. May be a disaster, but it ought to be a good video either way. So we're going to let that, we'll probably turn that down to low once it gets heated up. But right now, to get it heated up and going, we've got it on high. And like I said, we'll see how far the collards work down, see how much water we've got. I like a lot of pot liquor for the cornbread, so we may have to add some water. And from reading the instructions, it says every time you lift the lid to take a peek, that it'll usually add 20 minutes to the cooking time. So, you know, we're not in a hurry. We can let it run all night if we need to. So we'll just see how it comes along and go from there. Hey, the collards are just about done. I've already added 2 cans of the black-eyed peas. I think it's going to turn out really good. The collards were good. The flavor and texture is good. They just need a little more cooking. I'm heating the cans of black-eyed peas in the microwave for 1.5 minutes to get them up to a little bit higher temperature before it's, you know, because it's going to take a while to bring the collards and the peas back up to a boil, probably a good hour. I'm just going to have it at 10:30. And I want a bowl of it with some cornbread before I go to bed. Shouldn't do that, but that's what I'm going to do. So let me get that other can of peas in. Should be plenty of pot liquor for the cornbread. And I think it's going to be very good. So we'll let you know in about 1.5 hours, 2 hours. I have another piece of Eckrich sausage I could put in it, but I'm going to leave it like it is. I like it with the collards and the black-eyed peas and the pot liquor. So I'm not going to put that sausage in it. I mean, we may heat it and have it, you know, with it, but I'm not going to add it to that. So, and all I've done is, as a seasoning, I used a little garlic, a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper. Not too much, but just to taste. So we'll see how it turns out, and I think it's going to be very good. I need to get that other crock pot video up. This is just the second time I've used a crock pot. The other one was cabbage, carrots, and that one piece of Eckrich sausage, and it was real good too. Okay, we've gotten a little sample out. We're going to try it. Collards and peas, that's just a little sample. If that is okay, we're going to heat up a piece of cornbread and have us some pot liquor, peas, and collards. Okay, it's ready. We've heated a piece of cornbread. We've got a small serving there. Shop cat was interested, but she just got distracted. She heard something over there, and she's paying pretty keen attention to it. So maybe she has a snack in mind that has crept in from outside over there that she's going to attend to. She works 24/7. Okay, I've already tried it. It's very good. So we will be portioning it out in one meal servings each over there, and we've got about 6 or 7 of those little containers. We'll package it all up and eat it for the next couple of days. Okay, all packed up, cleaned up, and we got 5 meals ready to be eaten. What's up, shop cat? And they're in their heated house. This will be a wrap. Crock pot, collards, and black-eyed peas. Bumblebee's moving slow this morning. They may have spent the night here on this flower. Waiting for the sun to warm him up, him or her. Hang on, that sun will be here for too long. Warm you up where you can take off.